Design thinking is a process, or you could think of it as a method, but it's also a mindset.
Organizations and communities use design thinking to co-create innovative responses to shared challenges. Design thinking can also be applied to social problems with the goal of creating more equitable outcomes.
Here at Elon, we have the Center for Design Thinking, aka Elon by Design. We are famous for our workshops, which you might be participating in right now. Some of our most popular workshops help students map out their academic plans, cultivate mentoring constellations, and even design for liberation.
In addition to workshops, the Center supports community-based learning and partnerships, original scholarly research, a faculty community of practice, and signature events like our annual Design Forge.
We also have open hours for you to come and explore ideas in our versatile space, with our design thinking catalysts available to provide support.
Elon Center for Design Thinking. Let's make things better.